Welcome to my video, Clickbank Affiliate Marketing Case Study, a list or not a list. Let's see. First and foremost, I want to cover something that was shared with me by my mentor. His name is Paul Murray, and this is his 5-step system. I'm not going to go into details. If you want more, I will put that in a link later on. But it's going to cover, let me see, choosing a niche, which we talked about the other day. I will just cover that briefly. Signing up for an affiliate product, I will cover that briefly. Post one video per day. Now, I'm talking about marketing on YouTube. I'm not talking about the other forms of other platforms of marketing. I'm more or less referring to marketing on YouTube. And then you want to do this for 7 to 30 days, closer to 30 days than to 7. And then you want to set a goal. But I will cover those things quickly. And then after that, we're going to cover list building. Is it important? And why is it important if it is? And I will show you some places to where you can build your list for free. All right. So let's get started. Picking a niche. It's very important that you pick a niche. Oh, by the way, I'm going to zero myself out here so you can see the screen. I'm not the focus, so I will just zero myself out. Okay. Hold on a second. All right, so number 1 in Paul's 5-step system was talking about picking a niche. Let's go back to Clickbank. Technically, on Clickbank, underneath the marketplace, every single one of these can be considered a niche, and every single one is broken down. Those can be considered sub-niches. You can probably even go deeper. For the sake of this example, I want to stay consistent, so I'm going to go with health and fitness. These will be the sub-niches. You want to be consistent. You can even go deeper. When I go here, I see a product. We're going to just go with the keto product. When you are looking at products with Clickbank, you want to look at the gravity. The gravity tells you how many people are selling that product on a monthly basis or how many times it's sold. Here, the gravity is very high, 344, very high. From what I learned from Paul is that you can go anywhere from 30 and up. 30 and up is good. All right, but remember, this is talking about the keto diet, correct? And on the sales page, let's take a look at the sales page. And on the sales page, it shows a woman. So I'm assuming, but keep in mind, you got to look at the whole video. Don't look at some of it. Look at the whole video. Take notes. Let's move on. I'm assuming that after that, you will go to, let's go and look up keto diet. We got it right here. Keto diet for women. And what you would do at this particular point, if you make a video about keto diet for women, you can go to, now, you looked at the video, right? You got notes on that, so that may give you some idea. If you want more ideas, just go to YouTube and look up the same thing. Now, when I put keto diet for women, what else comes up? Keto menu, keto for beginners, keto diet plan for beginners. Make videos. You can make videos about all those things. Now, if you really want to be smart, you want to put the word women in there in that keyword somewhere. Somewhere. But that's what you want to do. So number 2, we already covered choose a niche. We already covered, and we're covering this quickly, okay, because I covered this in another video. So we are covering it quickly. You want to choose a product that has a long-term value of at least $100. Let me show you. On this particular one, the average sale, $47.91. It has a reoccurring billing. That is like a continuity program. That's like a subscription for about $81 per month. If I add up the $81 and if I add up to $47, even if the person just keeps it for 1 month, that meets my requirement of at least $100. The average person that gets into a subscription-based product stays there for about 3 months. If your reoccurring billing this is pretty high, 81. If it's less than that, This is 45. So you add this up 3 times plus 1, it meets the requirement. Some of these do not have a reoccurring billing. Those, me personally, I'll stay away from. Let me explain why. We're doing marketing on YouTube. We're not paying for marketing. It's going to take a little bit of effort. So if you're going to put that effort in, you might as well get paid for it. That's how I see it. You might see it differently. All right, so how many videos? Number 3, you want to post 1 video per day, take about an hour of your day and make at least a 3-minute video. But you want to post videos. Let me show you. Here's a guy. He's been online for a little while. He puts up, now I listened to one of his videos. I'm going to go back because I don't want to listen to one. What I want to show you is this. He has thousands of listeners or thousands of views per day. I'm going to give you an idea as to how he did that. And he also has what's called a playlist. A playlist is putting your videos in a particular category, like Clickbank. This playlist has 3. This playlist has 10, 60, 6, 27, gets higher, 13, 216, 76, 35, 30, or 20. It may have taken him years, 2, 3, 4 years to put up all these videos. But you see, now the traffic is following the videos. The people are following him. These subscriptions are following him. This is where we are misled. We are misled because we may see a make money online. You know what? I want to go to that. Make money with YouTube videos. Make money with YouTube. This is where the lie comes in. You see all these people talking about making money, and you're under the impression that it's going to happen right away. It's not going to happen right away. If you look and listen, just look. Be a detective and look. These guys got a lot of videos out. Just look. You could do it, but you just got to be consistent and put out videos. Whether you put out 1 a week, 2 a week, whatever you can, be consistent and put out videos. In the same niche, of course. Okay, so now, setting a goal. That's the last one. You got to set a goal. That's how you're going to make this thing work. You have to set a goal. Write your goals down on paper and look at your goals daily. When you start sitting there thinking about something that's negative, pull out your goals. Look at your goals. You'll be okay. All right? So, to make a list or not to make a list. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. This is a diagram that a marketer used. This is a diagram that I'm using also, to where it's $1 million plan. I mean, seriously, it's $1 million plan. And all the equipment that I'm going to show you, you can get for free, at least basic models, right? So you're using YouTube to drive people to an opt-in page. I will show you what an opt-in page is, our squeeze page. That in turn takes people to a thank you page, which has a call to action on there. And that in turn takes them to your affiliate link. Do want to mention, on the opt-in page, you are gathering their name and their email, and then you're going to send them emails out, at least for the first 10 days, every day. Remember those videos I told you about? Put out 10 and do 10, 1 a day? Well, that's those videos. And you just want to put some stuff on the email, just to make the people click. At the end of this, I'm going to have my 10 videos opt-in. I call it a course, and you can just look at it. You can copy it if you want. But that's what you want to do. And then after that, You would just put out videos, put out videos, put out videos, put out videos. We call those first 10 videos just trust videos. We don't care if they rank or not. Okay, if you want more on all that, I'll let Paul explain that. Okay, now let me show you a opt-in page. This is an opt-in page. Notice how when I went over here, this pop-up came up. I'm trying to get the name and email. But this is an opt-in page. With this opt-in page, I use a company called GrooveFunnels. You can sign up and get the software to build an opt-in page. It doesn't have to be like the one I showed you. It can have pictures and videos and everything else on it, but you can do that free. If you look, here's the registration. First name, last name, email, username, password. There's no place for a charge card, and it is free. It says free right here. You can even put your own domain as opposed to using their domain. You want to use theirs, you can use it. Now, let's talk about the emails. GrooveFunnels also has something called Groove Mail, to where you can do the automation to send out those emails that I talked about. Remember those 10 emails? You can also do broadcasting, which means that you can send one email out to the whole group. So if you have 1,000 people on your group, you can send one email out to that 1,000 people. Now, all of them aren't going to open it, but you can do that. And that's how these guys make money in the long run. All right? But the reason why Groove is free, one reason is it's in beta. So some of these products may not work 100%. I can guarantee you that Groove Pages does. I guarantee it. Groove Mail, they're still trying to get some clinks out of that. So what I did, because I can't afford to have you click on my squeeze page and for the email not to work. In the meantime, I went here to Aweber, because you can set up an autoresponder. That's what those emails are called, and you can do it free for the first 500 subscribers. I figure by the time I get 500 subscribers, GrooveMail will have their stuff in order, and I will switch back. No big deal. So I put my emails here. My emails are connected to my page here. Let me show you, I apologize, let me show you the thank you page. This is the thank you page. This is connected to my offer. Does that make sense? So I just showed you my whole funnel. I showed you the opt-in page. I showed you the thank you page. I didn't show you the affiliate page. And I showed you the 10 emails where I set those up at. And they would come out, they would send out a letter that would have all that information in there. And that's a system. So all I have to do is run people through the system. Run people through the system. And that's basically all I have to do. So if you ask me to build a list or not to build a list, here's the deal. If you build a list, that's an asset. So even if you stop selling that one particular product that you got from Clickbank, you can sell another product, in this particular case, in the Keto line of products. It could be cookbooks. It could be some type of cooking utensil that Google or that Amazon offers. Amazon has an affiliate program. So you have lots of options, but you want to build the list. What happens if you don't build the list? Let me see. If you don't build a list, here's how it goes. You would take a person from YouTube and they would go straight to the affiliate product. So tell me, what happens if something happens to your affiliate link at Clickbank? or wherever you're, getting your product from. What happens if you find another product which is in the same niche, and you want to market that, to your niche, but you got no list? So what you have to do is start all over again. Another thing, what happens now when you're building a list? Every time you put out a video, you can email your list. Just let them know. You don't have to try to sell them. You just share. Hey, I put a video out. It's about blah, blah, blah. It's about this and that. And that's going to drive your views up. See, everything is interconnected. You can't have the will, or the will will not be strong if you're missing a spoke. And the email list is part of that. That's it for today. I do not want to go too long. And in my next video, if you like, I will show you how to, let's talk about some marketing. Let's talk about target marketing for free using these videos. Okay? So thank you very much. Oh, I almost forgot. Should have said this earlier. If you like my video, please subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. Let me know. Hey, let's talk about it. But if you like my video, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. There's a little bell right up in the upper right-hand corner. Hit that bell to where you'll be notified of other videos coming out. This is what I'm going to guarantee you. I guarantee you I won't lie to you. I guarantee that. All right? Thank you very much for giving me your time. Peace.